What is the largest railway station in India? Correct answer is option A, Howrah Junction. What is the luxury train that travels through Rajasthan known as? Answer is option B, Palace on Wheels. What is the station which has 3 routes passing through it known as? Correct answer option D, junction. Which of the following is the easternmost railway division of the Indian Railways? Answer is option C, Tinsukia. In which city is the railway museum located? Answer option A, New Delhi. What is the name of the anti-collision device used by Indian Railways? Answer is option B, Kavach. Which of the following is the first railway station of the Indian Railways to run fully on solar power? Answer is option C, Guwahati. In which year were the Rajdhani trains introduced by the Indian Railways? Answer is option A, 1969. What is the name of the mascot of the Indian Railways? Answer is option D, Bholu. Which Indian city's suburban railway network is the busiest? Answer is option C, Mumbai. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Answer is option B, Lord Dalhousie. In which year was the Indian Railway Board established? Answer is option A, 1905. Which country does the Maitri Express connected India with? Answer is option D, Bangladesh. On which route was India's first CNG powered train inaugurated in 2015? Answer is option A, Rewari to Rohtak. How many stars does the official logo of Indian Railways have? Answer option C, 17. In which city are 3 zonal headquarters of Indian Railways located? Answer option D, Kolkata. Who of the following is known for having designed the first railway timetables? Answer is option B, George Bradshaw. Over which of the following rivers has the world's highest railway bridge been constructed? Answer is option A, Chenab. Which of the following stations of Indian Railways has all the 3 gauges viz, broad, meter and narrow? Answer is option C, Siliguri. What does PNR stand for in Indian railway system? Answer option C, passenger name record. Which railway minister presented the last railway budget before it was merged with the general budget? Answer option B, Suresh Prabhu. Which of the following is the largest marshalling yard in India, also the longest in Asia? Answer option A, Mughal Sarai. Which of the following zones of Indian Railways is the largest in terms of route in kilometers? Answer option D, Northern Railways. India's longest railway tunnel is located between. Answer option B, Banihal and Kazigund. The Gatiman Express connects Jhansi to. Answer option D, Hazrat Nizamuddin. Which train of the Indian Railways has the longest route length? Answer is option A, Kanyakumari to Dibrugarh Vivek Express. Which luxury train covers tourist destinations in Karnataka and Goa? Answer option C, Golden Chariot. Which of the following stations of the Indian Railways was formerly known as Victoria Terminus? Answer is option C, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Who was the Governor General of India when railways were first introduced in India? Answer option B, Dalhousie. Headquarters of which one of the following railway zones of Indian Railways is situated at the highest elevation from the mean sea level? Answer is option C, Southwestern Railway. Which railway station of Indian Railways is located at the highest altitude? Answer is option A, Ghum. Which express train is named after a famous Indian river? Answer option B, Brahmaputra. What is the purpose of using fish plates in railway tracks? Answer is option D, join two rails. Who is the current Railway Minister of India as of March 2025? Answer option C, Ashwini Vaishnav. What is the name of India's first bullet train project? Answer is option A, Mumbai Ahmedabad High Speed Rail Corridor.